library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to use the concept map feature in Eagle Search, an alternative search method that organizes your search terms visually. Let's get started. First, we have to get to the concept map. Let's start by getting into Eagle Search using the search bar located here on the library's website. Our assignment is to research differing viewpoints on euthanasia. Let's start with a basic search. After you typed your keyword, click Search. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your Eastern credentials. These would be the same as what you use to log into My Eastern or your campus email. The first page that appears will be your results. However, we're going to head into the concept map and look at our terms differently. To do this, look to the left side of the screen under Research Tools and click on Concept Map. We can now see our original keyword search with a diagram of related terms branching out. You can now create a new search or add to your existing search using these terms. Simply click the term and select Add to Search. Repeat this for as many terms you wish to add to your search. Once you have your selected items, finish the new search by clicking See Full Results. We're now back in Eagle Search with our new results list. Feel free to check out our other videos on Eagle Search to learn how you can use this platform effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.